we are here today at the European Parliament to sum up our NanoMed Round Table discussion group. We had now an international panel for a year.
We can make some very strong recommendations because the consultation was very broad and it has included a lot of different groups, including patient groups and various different stakeholders. What we hope for is that the recommendations that have been made are really going to give focus onto who needs to deliver what now in order to create a framework in which nanomedicine can really be fostering its results in a very good and very beneficial context to society and to innovation in Europe.
Personally, I expect a lot from today's meeting, presentation and meeting with the European members of Parliament, because so far the national governments, the European Commission, the national funding agencies already support research on nanotechnology, research in, let's say, in technology, but also in humanities dealing with nanomedicine.
I think we are going to see the first changes coming from hopefully a behavior in supporting the innovation, in particular what needs to be done as an innovation spending approach, as an approach on what particular framework measures need to be put in place by the European Commission in supporting key enabling technologies, as they have already identified they need to do in nanomedicine as well, and hopefully a change in the perception of the MEPs as well, who are currently seeing nanotechnology more through the eyes of its potential risks rather than of the benefits that we could harvest, in particular in medical care.
I think it was very important to do it now because we're just beginning to see the emergence of products for health applications which involve nanotechnology, and there has been a certain amount of adverse publicity, shroud waving by people who fear the potential consequences, the potential adverse consequences of nanotechnology will outweigh the benefits. I think doing the consultation now has revealed that there is considerable support once people know what the real issues are, and once they've been given an opportunity to appreciate those issues and make up their own mind about it. I think it will also be necessary to repeat the exercise at regular intervals as things develop and emerge, because one of the things that we know, as Niels Bohr so notably said, prediction is difficult, especially when it's about the future. Some of the things that we think might happen now will not happen because the science doesn't work that way. Some of the things we think will not happen may well become possible, and we will need to change our expectations, change our thinking, change the way in which we respond to and communicate with people's concerns in the light of new knowledge.